For decades, Lewis and Clark students have been organizing one of the most prestigious and anticipated annual events in the Oregon academic community. This year, we're asking a question that feels more relevant than ever. What happens when the institutions propping up our governments begin to fail? Welcome to Crumbling Pillars, the Age of Authoritarianism.
We are living through a moment where democratic institutions that took generations to build are being tested in ways we haven't seen since, well, last week. This symposium is our attempt to understand it, not from a distance, not from a textbook, but head-on. Now, more important than ever, when authoritarianism is at all of our doorsteps. Join us in learning from scholars who have spent their lives studying it, journalists who have spent their careers combating it, and survivors who have lived through it.
The IA Symposium has never been afraid of a conversation that makes people uncomfortable, and we're not about to start now. We opened Monday evening with a keynote event with Dr. Richard Wolff, an economist, the co-founder of Democracy at Work, and a man New York Times once names America's most prominent Marxist economist. Come with questions, come with an open mind, and maybe even leave with a new perspective.
Tuesday is where the symposium gets deeply human. We're co-hosting a storytelling event with the immigrant story. 4 individuals from Syria, El Salvador, Bosnia, and Cambodia will be sharing what it actually means to flee authoritarianism, to lose everything, and to rebuild. That afternoon, filmmaker and journalist Abby Martin will join us in a collaborative event with the Prison Abolition Club to screen her documentary, Earth's Greatest Enemy, highlighting the dangerous consequences of an unfettered military empire on our world's environment. And that evening, 2 of the country's leading political scientists will debate a defining causal question for this era. Is the authoritarian threat the result of international forces, or does it come from within?
Wednesday will be a lighter day, with a live, interactive podcast recording with Mark Goldberg, host of the Global Dispatches podcast, on whether international institutions still have the tools to hold the line against democratic erosion, or if we need to reimagine them entirely.
3 days, all free, open to the public. We'll see you from April 6th to April 8th at Lewis and Clark College.